I found a love
情人節快樂。
for
咩嚟㗎？
me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl.
我同 Peter 一齊5年，
You
今日收到呢個承諾，係我收過最開心嘅禮物。
never knew
佢話過佢咁想做 MDRT 嘅原因，係因為佢 MDRT 係保險業成功嘅第一步。佢想將賺到嘅錢儲起，同我置業組織家庭。今年係佢入行嘅第7年，但係佢之前一路都唔相信自己可以做到，而佢今日願意為咗我作出呢個承諾，係我收到過最有意義嘅禮物。我走先啦，唔阻你做嘢啦。
今晚打俾你啊！嗱，係咪啊？都話呢招 work 㗎啦，咁咪又可以唔使嘥錢買禮物咯。
都係你醒，今餐我嘅。
dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song.